Today's video we are going to be making roasted yam. Wow, Nigerian roasted yam. It is long I'm not eating roasted yam, so today I decided to make roasted yam and beans. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time of coming across my video. You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more videos. Today we are going to be making roasted yam and beans. So I have my beans already here. I'm just pouring it like this. Once it's warm a little bit, I will turn the water off. I will throw it off because I wouldn't like to cook it without water. I will change the water. So now keep washing. Here we have our roasted yam. I put it in the oven already. It's not yet roast, so we are going to be roasting it now from the oven. So this will need like 40 minutes to be ready. I have 2 onions to cook with these beans. I will be slicing one on it. I will be using one for frying the beans, the stew. So now we have my feta. I'm going to be throwing it off. I'm throwing the water off because it's not good. I am washing it, and I have my pot ready again. I'm putting my beans. This is the ingredients I use: garlic powder, pepper, black pepper, and salt. Now the next thing I will be adding is onions, 1 full onions, slicing. So I'll be turning it. The next thing, we have my fry pan here already with olive oil. The other thing I will add is onions, tomatoes, and my ingredients: pepper, maggi, and blended crayfish. I have 1 maggi cube and my spinach, of course. To turn it, I add my water. I will turn it a little bit. My sauce is ready. Now my beans is ready. Turn the stew inside because I like using stew on my beans. Always I love using stew when I'm making my beans because it gives more nice taste, more taste. Here is my yam, is almost ready, and my beans too is almost ready. Now I will be pouring the oil. Turn a little bit, then I will leave it for the beans to be dry, not so much dry because I don't like the dry one. And here is my yam. My yam is ready, guys. It's long I'm not eating this food, so I really decided to eat it today. So my beans is almost ready. Wow, my beans is ready, guys. You see, this is how I want it. I don't want the one that is very dry. So here is my beans. How these beans look so beautiful in the eye, guys, and it look most tasty, very tasty, very delicious. Here I have my roasted yam. Yeah, this food looks so inviting. You see, my food is ready, guys. Join me, guys. Thank you for joining me for today's video. See you for my next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and do also follow us on Facebook, Beautiful Shine Blog TV or Beautiful Shine TV. Thank you. Bye.